Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're wondering how to record your phone calls on Android in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So, there are several methods that exist to record phone calls on Android, but the best approach is depending upon your specific device. You can just go ahead and follow up the process for your own device. So, head over to the phone application for that, open it up and you can also try using another third-party application such as Google Phone or anything. And within there, you can need to go over to settings. So head over to settings for that, tap on the three dot in the top right corner, tap on it. And once you do so, here you will be finding option for settings from the given menu. Head over and tap on it. And once you tap on settings, here you should be finding different option displayed on your screen. You can look out for the option called record calls directly. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will be finding option for auto record calls. Now all you gotta do is simply turn on this option, and once you enable it, now when you initiate a call and place your Android device on a call, you will be finding the call automatically being recorded on your screen. You can just go ahead and look out for the recorded calls. Once you find it up here, tap on recorded calls, and there you will be finding all of the history of the recorded calls. In this file section, you can just go ahead and open it up, and you can even change the storage location depending upon yourself. Tap on storage location, and you can select whether you want it on your internal storage or your SD card. And that's it. That should record your calls. So this is one of the easiest and simplest method you can try out. You can also try it out for the different external application as well. But that's it. If you want to record phone calls on Android, this is the simplest method. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.